How does screen time affect your child's vision? Hi, I'm Dr. Kareeshma Wadia. I'm an eye surgeon based out of Parle, West Mumbai, and I'm going to address this burning topic today. First of all, the screen induces the amount of near work load on the child's eyes. The amount of focusing that they do on an object which is close to their face creates a certain amount of exertion on their developing, which predisposes them to myopia. As you all know, myopia or minus number or nearsightedness has become an epidemic, particularly after COVID, where everyone was homebound and children were forced to use too much of screen. This screen time can produce a minus number in children who were otherwise normal. And that is why it is very important that screen time of your children is monitored and regulated so that they don't get affected. Secondly, lack of exposure to sunlight. Because of constantly being indoor, the child doesn't get exposed to sunlight, which again affects their melatonin production, which further affects this nearsightedness. So it's important that the child gets some form of outdoor activity. The main reason being they will not be focusing at a near object and they will get to relax those eye muscles which otherwise cause nearsightedness. Thirdly, children these days are usually always busy at their school with studies. After school, there are some sort of classes or tuitions, and then there is screen time. So there is constant exposure to screen time. You need to make sure that this does not exceed a permissible limit in order to protect their eyes. And most of all, if you feel that your child is struggling with any of these activities, you need to take them to the ophthalmologist immediately. For adults, exposure to screen time doesn't do much except create strain, maybe dry eyes, or maybe difficulty in focusing because of eye muscle fatigue. So it's very different for adults. For them, it may not produce a change in your number. But for children who are growing up, exposure to screen time can lead to a minus number, and that minus number can also exponentially increase. So make sure that their screen time is monitored. If you found this video useful, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.